and true. His love will carry you. He will not.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, today what are we eating? Cooking. In today's video, I'll be cooking egusi soup. Yes, in this my channel, I don't think I've shown where I'm cooking egusi soup. So right in here is meat. So I'm boiling meat over here. Alright guys, stay tuned. In case if today is the first day you're coming across this pretty face and the beautiful channel for the first time, my name is Lucy Choma, a mom of two, living in Nigeria. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm begging you. Subscribe for this lady, subscribe for this little girl so that my channel can grow. You can also share my video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. I love you guys. Pepper, so I want to transfer it into bowl. Alright guys. So guys, it is time to add. Yeah, the meat is boiling pretty well. Okay. It is time to add chopped onions. Okay, I'm going to add small. I'm not going to finish it. So I'm adding chopped onions into the meat. So we'll also be adding pepper. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna add little salt into it, guys. Woo. So the next I will be adding is seasoning cube. So I'll be using no seasoning cube. Okay. So I'm just using the whole two. So I might still put when I'm cooking the soup or not. Okay, guys. So it is time to cover the pot. So over here, I will be boiling hot water to wash stockfish and dry fish. Okay. Yeah. So this is the dry fish that I will be using, and over here is the stockfish. Okay. Yep. So guys, I'm done washing the stockfish and the fish, so I will be adding them into this pot so that the dry fish is very very dry. So I need to add it on time so that it can soften. Likewise, the stockfish. Okay, that's why I'm adding them now. All right, guys. So I'm gonna stir, and I'm going to add water into it. Okay, so that the meat can cook very very well, guys. So don't worry, I'm going to show you the pots when I'm done steaming. So guys, it is time to add red oil into this. Okay, the meat, stockfish and dry fish are okay now. Okay, so I will be adding red oil. Egusi soup don't need much oil because egusi is also oil on its own. Okay, so I won't be adding much oil into that. All right, so I'll be stirring together. Cover. So guys, I'm back to check. Okay, so the is boiling pretty well. So I will be checking for salt. And let me just test and see if there is any ingredients lacking. Okay, I'll be adding pepper. I'll be adding small pepper into it. Okay. So I'll be adding these remaining onions into it. Alright guys. So I'll put little bit salt into it. Okay. Remember, too much salt is not good for body. That's why it's good to use enough fish, crayfish. It's good to use enough fish, crayfish, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna cover it and allow it to boil a bit. So guys, remember, some people fry their egusi, but today I'm not frying egusi. So here is egusi, blended egusi, ogiri obe, and enough crayfish. So I blend them together. Okay, so I want this egusi to be um to has all these small small lump. Okay, so I don't want it to pieces. So I'm going to be taking water from here, which is hot water, so that I can use it to melt it. Okay, so just stay tuned and see how I'm going to do it. So after putting this hot water, I'm going to mix it together. Alright, why I'm doing this, so that it can form, that's form paste. Okay, so I'm going to mix to combine very well, so that I can get what I want. Woo! Okay guys, so right in here is what I got. So just stay tuned and see how I'm going to be doing it. So I'll be taking it little by little and be adding it into the pot. Yeah, are you seeing it? Just tell me in the comment section. Do you know this method? Which method do you prefer? Frying method? It's not as if I don't cook frying method, but this one is my favorite. Okay, this one is, see this ogiri ope it's got the aroma the aroma hey, the aroma is giving guys. Woo! Guys, so guys, I'm done. So I won't turn it, I won't stir it. So I will cover it up. I'm going to cover it now. All right, so I'll cover it and come back in some minutes to shake it. Okay, yeah guys, it is about 5 minutes I added the melon. So yeah, you see it is boiling pretty well. So let's check it. Guys, can you feel it? Can you see it? Oh my goodness, this is looking so nice. Woo! All right, this egusi is looking so nice. So let me taste. Oh my god, it's tasting so nice. So here is my okazi. Oh, sorry, this is uziza leaf. So I'll be putting uziza leaf into this. So that is the only leaf I will be using to cook this egusi. So I'm gonna stir gently because I wouldn't want the egusi to scatter. I still want it to be rumpy. Are you feeling it? This one is party egusi. So this method is very simple. This method is very simple method. Okay, it's very simple. All right, so I'm gonna cover it and come back in the next 5 minutes. It is about 5 minutes I added the leaf, so I came back to check it. Let's check together. Can you see that this is boiling pretty well? So let's start together. So yummy. So at this junction, our egusi soup is ready. All right, our egusi soup is ready. Bring your semo, bring your eba, bring your fufu, bring name it, bring it and come and enjoy this delicious, simple, delicious egusi soup. Guys, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, like the video, please support me, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. You can as well share my video out. Tell me what you think about the food. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.